Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to today's class. See, in the previous class, we have completed first question, second question answers. Am I right? Okay. Are you all doing the homeworks? You have to do. And to whom you have to send your homeworks? To the concerned class teacher. To your concerned class teacher. Okay. So, write your homeworks with a neat handwriting and send it to your class teacher and get very good grades. Okay, my dear? Right. So, now today also we have one more question and answer. Third one, that is. Now take your classworks, pencil, eraser. I hope you all are writing with a neat handwriting. Am I right? Yeah, my dear, you have to write with a very neat handwriting. Are you all giving a finger gap between each word? Yes, you have to give finger gap between each word. So, it will look very beautiful. Like the song of Mowgli. What did Bhalu said? If there is a song, if there will be a music with that song, it will be very nice. Isn't it? Bhalu said. But if you give a finger gap between each word and write neatly, it will be very beautiful. Okay. The appearance of your classwork, of your work will be very beautiful. And you will get good grades. Okay, now we'll switch into the classwork now. Okay, take your classworks, all of you. You have completed the second answer. Am I right? Yeah. Now, leave a line after second answer. Leave a line, leave one line and write the third one. Third answer. What did monkeys bring to play the music? What did monkeys bring to play the music? What did they bring? What did they brought? Answer is the monkeys brought some dried gourds to play the music. Play the music. Okay. Now, look at the board. Write with a neat handwriting. What did monkeys bring to play the music? What did they brought? The monkeys brought some dried gourds to play the music. Look here. The T-H-E, the monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought some, S-O-M-E, some, D-R-I-E-D, dried, G-O-U-R-D-S, gods. T-O-2, P-L-A-Y, play. M-U-S-I-C, music. The monkeys brought some dried gourds to play the music. I'll spell each and every word. Please recite me. T-H-E, the. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. S-O-M-E, some. D-R-I-E-D, dried. G-O-U-R-D-S, gourds. T-O-2, P-L-A-Y, play. T-H-E, the. M-U-S-I-C, music. The monkeys brought some dried gourds to play the music. Okay, after writing this, take your small copies, my dear. Take your small copies. As in previous classes, now also I am giving here. You have to write it in your small copy. Okay. Write today's date. Okay, now first word, dried gourds. Next word, play. Dried gourds, play. These are the words which you have to write in the small copy. Okay, now today's daily work, you have to note down in daily work. Today's daily work is read and practice question answer 3, third one. Third question answer for 2 times. In a rough notebook. Read and practice question 3 in a rough notebook for 2 times and send it to your concerned class teacher. Small copy, you have to write in a full page with pencil. Take a picture and the answer which you have practiced in rough notebook, that also you have to take a picture. These 2 you have to send it to your concerned class teacher. Okay, my dear, note down the daily work and small copy also. The work in small copy also. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.